Good morning, children. So today I'm going to introduce you to a letter that you already know about, and that letter is Y. So the name of the letter is Y, but what is the sound Y? But what is the name of sound of the letter? The name of the letter is Y. What is the sound of the letter? Y. Right? So now this sound, this letter Y, can make two different sounds when you put it at the end of a word. Okay, जब आप इसको किसी word के last में आता है, तो it can make sound of I or E. So Y can say I or E. Y can say I or E. Okay, let's look at this few words. So Y can say I, E. Now how will we know which letter is saying I and which letter is saying E? So Y can say I, E. So if it's a short word, it can say I. जब कोई बहुत छोटा सा आपका वर्ड है, so it says कौन सी साउंड आएगी? I की. So let's look at some words here. I, my, I, dry, I, try. This is your grapheme. I, shy. So see, सारे letters कितने words, कितने छोटे words हैं, right? So whenever there is a small word, a short word, it will have the sound of I at the end. Let's try writing these words, okay? I, my, I, try, I, try, I, shy. So छोटे words. This word has only two letters. This word has only three. Again, this one also has three, and this also has three. Okay, now let's look at E. So now let's look at E. Okay, now I can say I, E. So we looked at some E. So if there is a short word, it's going to say I. So if it is a long word, so the long word will say E. Long word के end में अगर Y आता है, तो it will say the sound of E. So let's look at a few words. Okay. Sn. Now you know O and ow together is ow, but here it's a tricky word. We are not going to call it ow, but we are going to call it O. Snowy, snowy, heavy, yeah. At the end, see, it's a big word, 5-letter word. So इसके end में Y आ रहा है, and उसकी sound होगी E, not I. I छोटे में होगी, and E long में होगी. Let's try writing these, okay? N O E, snowy. Right, that's your snowy. Heavy, heavy. Now this is an easy word for us to read. Sleep, sleep, E. Sleep nahi hoga, right? It's a long word, and we'll put E at the end. Sleepy. Pretty. It's pretty, pretty. That is a very pretty dress. Pretty. Sleepy. So Y can say I, Y can say E. Y can say I. So Y, W, I, B, I, F, I, fly, I, cry. So these are all the short words. Now let's look at the long ones. Y can say E, E, H, A, P, E, happy. T, R, E, K, E, tricky. Safe. This is magic key, remember? Magic key is put at the end of a word. Yes, but safe is in itself a word. Safe bhi ek word hota hai, right? So this is safe. T, T, safety. Ch, R, E, cherry. Y can say I. Y can say E. Y can say I or E. Remember that, okay? Now I'm going to send you a list of words and you can try writing them, and then we will talk about these words in a live class. All right, bye-bye.